Someone you knew has passed, and you're wondering if you might be named in their will. Maybe an estranged relative, an old family friend, an employer who promised to remember you. There are real ways to find out, and you don't have to wait for someone to call you. I'm with people locator skiptracing.com, and we help people navigate inheritance questions regularly. Here's how to find out if you're named in a will. When someone dies and leaves a will, the will gets filed with the probate court in the county where they lived. Once the will is filed and probate is opened, it becomes a public record. You can search probate court records in the county where the deceased person lived. The probate process names beneficiaries who receive specific gifts and identifies a residual estate that goes to remainder beneficiaries. The will itself is the document that identifies you, or doesn't. State unclaimed property databases may also list assets the estate couldn't deliver. Each state has a database, usually accessible through the state treasurer or comptroller's office, that lists unclaimed funds, including inheritance distributions that couldn't be delivered to the beneficiary. The Social Security Death Index confirms whether the person has actually died. Without confirmation of death, no probate has been opened. If you suspect you're a beneficiary, but probate hasn't been opened, that's possible too. Some estates pass entirely through non-probate transfers, life insurance, joint accounts, transfer on death arrangements, and never go through court. In those cases, contacting the executor or trustee directly is the only way to find out. If a will exists but is being concealed by family members trying to keep the estate from rightful beneficiaries, you have legal recourse. Most states have procedures to compel filing of a will and to challenge fraudulent administration. If the probate is in another state and you don't know how to access the records, a professional skip trace can sometimes locate the probate filing and identify whether you're listed. For professional people search and skip tracing services, visit people locator skiptracing.com. 20 years of helping people find what they're entitled to know.